What is up, guys? This is Michael Clarity coming back at you with a new video on my channel, and today's video we are going to talk about the 5 don'ts if you want to hit numbers like, let's go in here, if you want to hit numbers like this, this, or even like this on your Shopify store. So let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, let's start with one of the most important don'ts, and that just don't talk but do. It's really simple, guys, but I see so many people talking about Shopify. They're talking about, yo, I'm gonna make the store, I'm gonna sell all these products, or I just see people watching videos for like 2 to 3 months, but they never actually even create their own store. And guys, this is the key point to achieving your goals with Shopify. You just have to do it. Like, just create that store, test those products, just do it, you know? Don't talk about it, but just do it. This is literally the most important thing. If something comes into your mind, if you have an idea, something you want to test, a product you want to test, an ad you want to test, anything, just do it. Don't even think about it, guys. Just do it, okay? And then the second don't is don't ask, but just test. And this is kind of similar to the first point, but I also see a lot of people make this mistake. Actually, a really good friend of mine who also got into dropshipping like 2 weeks ago, he like kept asking me so many questions like, yeah bro, like should I put this product in there, like do you think it's going to be good? Or for my targeting, should I do this targeting, should I do that targeting? And I'm like, man, like I don't know, I've never tested those products myself. Like literally the only way you can find out is to test, and that's the key thing, or that's the key to basically any business. You just have to test until something's going to work. And you will fail, guys. Like, this is a fact. In the beginning you will fail, but you can't get disappointed by that stuff. You still have to keep testing, and even if you fail 5, 10, or even 100 times, you still have to keep testing, because at some point, at some day, you will find that one product that works for you. You will find that targeting that works for you. You will find that ad copy that works for you. So just test until you find it, guys. This is really the key thing to dropshipping. The only people who don't succeed at dropshipping are the people who give up, and those are probably 95% of all people who do dropshipping. So if you keep testing, you will succeed at some point. That's just how it works. And all those people who are successful right now, all those people who are making millions with their stores right now, that is only because those people are also the people who lost the most money and who failed the most in the beginning, but who didn't get disappointed and who still kept testing, who still kept working with their stores, and who still didn't lose their motivation. And that's exactly why they are where they are right now. So please don't lose your motivation, guys. This is very, very important. And the third don't is if something's not working, don't kill it too early, but also don't kill it too late. And this especially applies for Facebook ads. I see a lot of people test the Facebook ads with like a budget of $5 a day, which is totally fine. I always do that too when I start out testing new products. But they test it for 1 day, they lose 5, or even 2 days, they lose $5, they lose $10, and they're already like, nah, I already lost that money, I think I should kill this ad. And guys, this is not how it works, okay? You have, like I said, you have to lose some money in the beginning in order so you can make that money back. So never kill an ad too early. If it's not working for 2 or 3 days, then just test different variations of that ad copy, test different variations of the targeting, but don't kill the ad completely right in the beginning. But also on the other side, don't kill it too late, and don't waste tons of money on a product which is not going to work. So let's say you have this new product that you're testing, and you've already tried like 3 different targetings, and you tried like 3 different ad copies, and you literally don't know what to do anymore. At that point, you should definitely kill that ad. Not even at that point, but even way earlier. So always make sure, or what I always try to make sure, is that I don't spend more than $50 on testing one product. So even if I lose those $50, then that's totally fine, because I know I can make that back with a different product. But also don't kill your ads too early if they're not working right from the beginning. Then the fourth point is don't follow the masses. And guys, if I would have been making this video like even 3 or 4 months ago, this would have been a totally different deal, because back then way less people were into dropshipping, and the competition of course was way way lower. So back then, if you saw a winning product, let's say on Instagram, and then you just took that product and poured it into your own store and also started selling it, then you had really good chances of making good money. However, nowadays with so many people doing dropshipping, this type of stuff got really hard. So what's really important nowadays with dropshipping, especially in 2018, is that you find unique products and that your store is unique, guys. There's so many dropshipping stores out there right now, and there's so many bad ones out there too. So make sure your store is different. Make sure you have a unique design, you have a unique logo, and of course, guys, products are key, so make sure your products are also unique and try to find products that no other people are selling. And the best way to find it out is simply just type in your product into Facebook and see if there's any other posts on it within the last year. And if there's not, then you know that there's no other people selling that product, at least not on Facebook, and then that's a good product to test, guys. So always make sure you have unique products, you have a unique website, and your store just kind of separates itself from all the other dropshipping stores that are out there right now. And then the fifth and last don't is don't think like a seller, but think like a buyer. And what I mean by this is when you go into your website, when you go into your store, don't look at it like it's your store. Look at it like you're a customer buying something from that store, or a potential customer buying from that store. So just even go on your store right now, go on your website right now, look at your store. Would you buy something from that store? Or just go to your parents, go to your mom right now, show her your store and ask her if she would buy something. And if she wouldn't buy something, ask her why. And guys, this is key. Like what I see a lot of times is that when people create stores, it kind of like becomes like their baby. And I know exactly how that feels because that's also how I was with my first stores. But really, your store is just kind of like a tool or kind of like employee to make your money. So don't be afraid to change up things on your store, and don't talk your store better than it is, if you guys know what I mean by that. So always try to stay very objective, and feel free to show your store, like actually show your store to other people who are really not into this type of stuff, for example like your parents maybe, and then just ask them why they would buy something or why they would not buy something from that store. Alright guys, so that was already it with today's video. It's really that simple. So if you enjoyed, if you got some value out of this, drop a like below, subscribe to my channel, and of course also turn on post notifications, because otherwise you're probably not going to see my uploads with the new YouTube algorithm. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day, having a great week, and then I'll see you in the next video.